Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into card for lightweight app landing pages, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type card.co into the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the card homepage. On the top right corner, locate the login button. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to a login page. If you already have an account, enter your email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. Wait a moment for the page to refresh. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your card dashboard. Here, you can create or manage your landing pages. If you're a new user, consider exploring the template options available. Choose a template that suits your needs. Start customizing your page as desired. Remember to save your changes regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.